9.5 Subic Bay Radio. You heard the song Too Little Too Late from JoJo. Song brought to you by Wing Squad. Let's get wingin'. They are located at number 1, Quezon Street, Barangay Asinan, Olongapo City. Okay, so they are delivery partners for those who want to have your Wing Squad delivered to you. They are delivery partners with Groover, Food Panda, and Grab Food. You may also call or text directly 0999-524-0531. Okay, the best tasting chicken wings with different flavors, varieties, and combos. Okay, so check out their official Facebook page for you to find out. They are open Sunday to Friday, 11:30 a.m. until 9 p.m. And they are at the Banchetto, Subic Bay Mini Golf Course, Subic Bay Freeport. Monday to Sunday, they are at the Banchetto from 5 p.m. until 12 midnight. Okay, and speaking of the Banchetto, we are inviting all of you to witness the singing contest finalist. The So You Think You Can Sing at the Banchetto. This is going to be tonight, all right, with yours truly at the very stage of the Banchetto Food and Trade Fair, okay? So we got a couple of, how many finalists? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14 finalists in the So You Think You Can Sing singing contest for adults. The other day, they had the kids edition. Ayan, congrats dun sa nag-champion. I forgot her name, pero her last name I remember. Marmeto is the last name. That little kid, I think she's just 7 years old, 6 or 7. Galing. Okay, tonight's gonna be no different. We will be amazed by the singing prowess of this finalist. All right, lined up this tonight. So see you guys there. It starts at 6 p.m. The Banchetto opens at 6 p.m. All right? And we got nightly musical entertainment for you guys. May mga events na iba't ibang pwedeng salihan. We got, dance competition, singing competition, even junior pageant, the junior SBFCC pageant, TikTok star search, cooking challenge, marami pang iba. So every night up until January 1, we will be entertaining you guys there at the Banchetto Food and Trade Fair at the former mini golf course of the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Okay? Yung mini golf course na yan, katabi lang ng next to Building 229. Ayan. So, madaling hanapin, ha? Alright? So, again, see you guys there for the So You Think You Can Sing Grand Finals tonight at the Banchetto Food and Trade Fair. Okay? 11:47 on the dot, so let's play this next song. We will be back with more of the latest pieces of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. Oh, speaking of that, our SBMA chairman and administrator checked the road pavement. Alam niyo naman yung construction dito sa Subic Bay Freeport, di ba? Kabi-kabila yung mga ginagawa. He checked the road pavement being done at the Rizal Highway in the Subic Bay Freeport. Okay? The agency chief personally conducts inspection of road rehabilitation projects to ensure utmost quality and efficiency in the construction. Yung ating SBMA chairman and administrator, masipag to eh. Mahilig siya sa ganyan. Yung siya mismo yung iikot to see how things are being done. Minsan masasalubong mo nasa waterfront road, namumulot ng mga basura along the dalampasigan along the shoreline of the Subic Bay Freeport's waterfront road. Ganun siya. Very down to earth. Siya mismo yung pumupulot ng basura. Hindi kanya utusan. Pulutin mo yun. Siya mismo, makikita mo. Kaya mahihiya ka, pupulot ka rin, di ba? Alright. So once again, I'll be back with more latest pieces of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. For the meantime, here is the requested song, requested via the text hotline. Music coming from Bandang Lapis. Here's your song. This is Kabilang Buhay, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.